all these children? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. A black one. She's moving. Brown one. Another brown one. A black one. A brown one. And a black one. And the mother, the mother, ugly mother. Yeah, like for real. It's our first cat. Got her in 13, 13, He ended up, we had black couple months, like about 6 months, you know how it is. Let her outside and she got pregnant. She got pregnant though. She got so pregnant, man. It was weird, man. But yeah, like, yeah, her name Chloe, man. We ain't named a little kitten yet, you know what I'm saying? We gotta wait, man. For real. Down here in Kentucky. The Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah.